Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the official application for the Bendigo mobile banking app. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then in the search box, simply type in Bendigo Bank and then start the search. Once you find the Bendigo Bank application, simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Bendigo Bank application. Wait for a while until the installation is complete, and once you see the open button, you can tap on it to open it up. Now once the Bendigo mobile banking application is opened up, you can tap on Set up e-banking and then proceed with logging into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Bendigo mobile banking application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.